Greeting guys, today we are going to see about the inflation account. In inflation account, we are going to look into some items, whether those assets and liabilities are, whether it is monetary or non-monetary items. We'll see here. So here there are some list of items given. You have to identify these, whether these assets are monetary or non-monetary items. We'll see one by one. The first item is cash in hand. Whether the cash in hand is monetary or non-monetary, we have to check. Of course, this is monetary item. Why? Because the reason is the realizable value and the book value will be same. Okay, because there is no change in the cash in hand, the same value only we will be doing it. Same way, cash at bank also, if you take, that is also monetary, and the value, realizable value and book value will be same for this case also. Building, but the building is not same. The building value, the amount realizable value may be vary because it is depending upon the market value. It will be having some changes in the building value. So it is not monetary. That is non-monetary item. Okay, why? What is the reason? The reason is the amount realizable on the sale, the amount realizable value is on the sale amount, that is depends on the market value, which would not be the same, which would not be same as book value. It varies. Okay, so the coming to the next item, land also same thing. You cannot say the same value because this land value also will be changing based on the market value. So this is also not that is a non-monetary item. Next, coming to the data always will be monetary. Why? Because the book value and the realizable value will be same. So I'm going to copy paste the same thing here. Coming to the creditors, of course, creditors also same. Whatever the amount book value is written, you have to pay. There is no change in the value. Okay, so this is also monetary. So I'm going to change the same thing. Yes. Coming to book overdraft, of course, overdraft also same thing. You have to pay the same, whatever written in the book, you have to pay the same thing to the bank account also. Coming to the equity share capital, but it does not same. Why? Because the settlement may happen based on the whatever the assets and liabilities, based on that only it will be settled. So at the end, whatever is remaining, that will be paid to equity shareholders. So they will not be getting the same amount, whatever is given in the balance sheet. So this is a non-monetary item. Why? Because the final repayment, that is repayable value as always depends on the assets and liabilities settlement after that. So assets realization and the settlement of whatever liability, that's why it is non-monetary, hence may not be same as book value. Okay, coming to debentures, yes, of course, debentures will be paid at the same amount only. Okay, so the creditors, sorry guys, here's creditors will be the payable value. The payable value and the book value will be same. Okay, so here also payable, it is not realizable, we have to use payable. I just copy pasted, so we have to change it. Okay, debentures also, the payable value and the book value will be same, so it is monetary.